Hi, had a great few days with a friend who came to visit, but now it's time to get back into trading. Gonna wait till 9:40 and then hopefully take a bunch of trades on the real account. It's not really doing a whole lot compared to what it normally does. I'm just gonna keep waiting. I do want to go long, but I don't want to do that in the middle of this. Oh wow. Okay. It's not moving like it normally does in the morning. This is relatively choppy for some 940 price action. So I think I should just sit this one out. In the previous days where I've practiced in the morning, we've gotten some real direction. Not this. I used 30-second charts in the morning because there was so much action happening. Later on in the day when it slows down, it looks better to go up to something higher to kind of filter it out. But this is very choppy. I wanted to take trades today, but I'm kind of glad I didn't. I feel like I just would have gotten chopped up here. I did think it was going up, but I was too early on that. I would have gotten stopped out if I'd actually entered in when I thought to go in there. And then this rejection here made it seem like it was going down. And then whoop-ah! And yeah, I could have gotten in even here and still gotten a lot of points, but that's something that's going to take a while for me to be able to do because it seems to go against what you're supposed to do. And like I've said before, in the morning, it really do just keep going up. Seems like it would be a good place to short here. It shot up there and then immediately went meow. Of course, it's classic. Well, it would have been a good place to get short, but it's kind of scary to short after you have a candle twice the size of the previous one. Just go. Timing. My timing is off. Alright, a bit of time has passed and it's still not really doing that much. Right here is where I thought about going long, and my target was going to be a new high of day. So that would have been pretty sad, because it would have gone 7 points and then crashed down and would have taken out my stop loss for sure. It's just kind of been going back and forth in the day's range, rather than breaking this pivot, or, I mean, it barely went above the high of day. I don't really consider that a break. So it's just not really doing that much. Even for 1035, it's usually moving a little bit more than this. This is a sim trade that I started at 10:43, so 6 minutes ago. I set the chart to 2-minute candles just to filter out some of this yuckiness. What is that? Gross. I'm just gonna leave it, let it play out. Move stop to break even, plus 2 ticks. Well, broke the high of day by 1 tick. So, whatever. I'll just close that out. 7 points. Not real account though. Since MES is going kind of slow, I now have up the NASDAQ micro, obviously. So I'll be watching this and maybe consider taking some trades here. Did you guys know that NinjaTrader owns Trade-Evate? Bought them for $115 million. Whew. Also, I'm experimenting with doing some small time frame scalping on the NASDAQ. 14 points here. Meow. Can never get the whole move, but still, that's 50 points. 50. In another sim trade right meow. Perhaps I've gotten a bit too greedy, but perhaps it'll break the high of day. Only time will tell. There's only one way to get big winning trades, because price isn't just gonna go up instantly. Only way to get something decent is to be patient and try not to pass out from the adrenaline. Just kidding. I don't really get that crazy adrenaline rush anymore. Which is good. That's improvement. You know, slowly desensitize ourselves. And that's only done through time. It's no magic pill. Quit meowing. Well, being patient would have been the play here, but boy, wouldn't that have been scary. An enter at 51, comes up to 68, all the way back down to 54, and then eventually goes up to where my target was around at 75. That's a whole lot of movement. I think it's just like wired in our brains that we're supposed to long here, exit here, then short down to here, exit here, then go long. As like so many opportunities to make money. And like you feel like that's what you're supposed to do. But really, if you just buy here and then don't even look at it for a few minutes, come back, you've probably made more than someone else who's trying to perfectly go up, down, down, up, down. It's just like thinking about the pain of not taking profit on a 20-point trade and then having it take out your stop loss 3 points ahead of where you entered instead of making 20 points. It's just tough. It's like the pain of that happening outweighs the outweighs the emotional intensity of winning. Like, things hurt worse more than feeling good feels good. Same thing as like mean comments stick with us more than nice comments. Are you listening? Stop hurting my feelings. Just kidding, haha. No, I'm not. I took a little short here, but I put the stop loss just past break even because I wasn't too confident that it was gonna keep going down. I got stopped out for just a couple points. It's pretty slow right now, just slowly moving its way up. Maybe we'll take some trades later in the day. The volatility I need on MES to trade in the morning kind of exists, not all the time, but a lot of the time with the NASDAQ. But more importantly, I just need price to be doing something rather than staying in the same spot. Like here, I like a lot more for trading than this. I don't know what I'm talking about. Alright, I'm just chilling for now. I'll probably maybe consider taking some trades once we hit around 3 or so, because it's currently 1 o'clock, so not much is going on. I've just been messing around with the sim account. Actually winning, but guess what? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It seems like there will be opportunities to take trades when it's not the morning, but the way to approach it is just different. The thing about trading later in the day is that it takes a long time for those trades to play out, whereas the morning it might be like 10 seconds to a minute. Well, good thing that wasn't on my real account now, isn't it? MES in the morning, trade that, but I also have to watch out for when it's choppy like this morning. I'm glad I didn't take any trades because I doubt they would have worked. And good on me for identifying that before making a fool of myself. Thank you so much to my patrons. You guys really mean a lot to me and help motivate me. We're really climbing up in members, and I really appreciate your support. We've got 10 extra live trading episodes there and more every week. Thank you, and bye-bye.